We spoke about how to read something from the file. So you can see that now in the file is this sentence, my name is David, and we can read it like file.read. And we can use file because we call it file. And be careful because this file is, you can use it only in indented code. So you can write something like this, okay? Because if you do, there will be an error or something what it doesn't know, okay? So be careful, you can't use the file here, okay? Use it only in indented part. So, but now the problem is that we need only, or we know only how to read something from the text, but so something from the file, but we need to know how to write something to the file, okay? So here in example, I will erase it, and I would like to write something to the file, okay? So the first thing is that I would like to create a text file. So it means if you write something to the file and the file doesn't exist, so it means it will create the file. So again, we will use a context manager. We know how to write it with open, and I will call it, for example, test.txt, and here there will not be a read, there will be a write, okay? Again, as file, for example, but it's up to you how you will call it, and you can put file.write. So it means that now you have a permission to write there something, and you can write whatever you want. For example, hello. So maybe I will comment this out and we will check it. I will run it, okay? And you can see that here is a test.txt. It was created by this code. And if I will check it, there is hello. Perfect. I like it. Okay. So this is the option how you can write something to the file, and it's a option when you can create a new file. Okay. So it does these two things: create a file and write something down. Okay. But now, if be careful, because if you write something to the existing file, for example, we have something like this, example.txt, and again, my name is David, for example, and I would like to with open, and I would like to open example.txt, again, write there something as file, and I would like to file.write, so it means hello again, for example. But what does it mean? What will happen if you try to write something to the file where some text is already exists? So if I will run it, you can see everything perfect. But if I will check it, hello again. So it means the previous text, my name is David, was erased. Okay, so it means that you rewrite the content of the file. Okay, so please be very careful, because if you have something very important here and you will call file.write, so it means you will lost your data and you will rewrite it by your new text. So this is very danger. Okay, so perfect. I hope that you understand how to write something down to the file.